Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening right now in global construction markets. The landscape is changing fast, and whether you're an investor, a developer, or just someone keeping tabs on where to put your money, this is the podcast you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Buckle up, because I'm about to lay out everything you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. Let's start with the United States. Did you know that in just 1 month, 19,000 new construction jobs were added? That's huge. But wait, there's a catch. The construction unemployment rate has crept up to 5.3%, and material costs skyrocketing. Asphalt shingles alone are seeing a 6 to 8% price hike. So while opportunities abound, the challenges are equally intimidating. High interest rates are taking a bite out of the housing market, but here's the silver lining. Biden's infrastructure push is keeping the commercial sector alive and kicking. Translation? Think long term. Commercial projects might be the moneymakers here. Let's hop across the Atlantic to Europe. Some countries are holding steady in construction activity, but the storm clouds are gathering. China's reduced demand and ongoing trade tensions are hammering Europe's materials industry. Supply chain issues, raw material price volatility, it's chaos. But listen to this. The boom in green architecture and renewable energy projects is a golden ticket for forward-thinking investors. Bet on sustainability because that's where the EU is putting its chips. South Korea? Oh boy, the situation isn't pretty. Construction completions are down 27.3% year over year, and project orders plummeting by 25.1% month on month. These are hard numbers to stomach, and frankly, the economy is feeling the pressure. The Korean Development Institute has flat out warned of a looming economic downturn. But this is where creativity comes into play. Government-backed infrastructure expansion and pivots to innovation in the private sector could turn things around. Smart investors should keep one eye on policy changes and the other on burgeoning tech-based opportunities. Now, let's talk about China. The government there is playing chess, while the rest of us are barely keeping up with checkers. They've set an economic growth target of about 5% by 2025 and are pumping money into urban redevelopment and housing construction. Want numbers? Over 1 million new homes are in their pipeline, along with extensive infrastructure investment. Urbanization is back in the spotlight, making way for lucrative opportunities in everything from construction materials to renewable energy infrastructure. China isn't just building homes, they're building the future. And Japan? Oh my God, Japan's challenges are pretty unique. They're battling an aging population and shrinking domestic demand. But here's the twist. They're doubling down on urban regeneration projects and improving tourist infrastructure. In plain English, the focus is on making cities smarter and more globally competitive. That's where the yen will flow, and that's where savvy investors should look. Follow the money into AI-driven smart cities and urban redevelopment projects. Here's the big takeaway for all of us. And trust me, this applies whether you're in the game or just thinking about jumping in. Across the globe, one theme is dominating. Sustainability and technology are no longer nice-to-haves, they're must-haves. From modular construction and AI to IoT-backed smart building designs, innovation is separating the winners from the losers. Meanwhile, climate-conscious policies mean green building certifications, energy efficiency retrofits, and eco-friendly materials are fast becoming the new gold standard. Investors, listen up. The construction market isn't just about throwing hard hats at dirt anymore. It's data, it's tech, it's sustainability. Whether you're betting on US infrastructure, European green projects, Korea's innovation pivot, China's urban boom, or Japan's regeneration master plan, now's the time to build a portfolio that can weather the turbulence and come out stronger. And that's it for today. If you found this helpful, share this episode and follow me for more deep dives into the industries shaping our future. Until next time, keep your eyes open, your strategy sharp, and your investments smarter than ever.